Well, let's see how to learn how to save documents on a removable disks or drives. You could be having your different, for instance, your phone, your hard external drive, your flash disk, the memory card, iPod, name it. You could be having all those, but then you want to learn how to save a document onto those ones. So what we do, you have to have maybe your document already typed, you have finished typing it, or you may have maybe, let's say, a new blank document. Then you you may have to type something in there so that it becomes meaningful. It becomes meaningful with what we are doing. You may go and say, let's say, North Bridge Technologies. You type in here North Bridge Technologies. So this is what you want. Maybe it's your work or something. You may even insert some, maybe let's say some pics here. Then that's what you have. You may give it that color. You may come back here and maybe this is your work that preferably you want to do some goodness over with it. Then you may have, let's say, this it is you have done your great work. Then you want to increase, or to save it onto your 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 phone. You want to use your phone and increase that work onto it. We may say, we may include the email if you want, but because of time we may not go that far. So in here we want to save. Let's say save as we have explained it in our previous works, so we may not have to go there. So here we may say save. If you say save, the computer system will prompt you with what we call a dialog box asking you what you really want to do with this. Now in here I'm trying to, so you can change the name if you want. You can change the name to some other business or any other stuff that you want to use as your name. Then you have to locate which device do you want. For instance, right now we don't have any device here, so if I go and I insert, maybe let's insert a flash, or let me insert a phone, preferably a phone we have to show you using another camera. Let's use a flash. So when we insert a flash, we have inserted a flash, it is now here, it is visible, you can see it right now. So we have inserted a flash. This is our document that we want to save. It is just here, we want to insert this. So in here, if it's a phone, you have really activated it. We have already got tutorials of how to activate your phone and it reads the computer. So in here you will click, single click, or you may double click on it so that it can turn from there to here. You see here we have changed. If I'm to save it on D drive as another uh, uh, removable disk, or on my phone, you see here things keep changing according to which device I'm choosing. If it's your phone, if it's your memory card, your iPod, when you click on it, it will show up here. Whether you want to save a song or document, so upon reading up here, then you'll be having a chance of now saving. This is what you call your GrotD document. Then upon reading, selecting and reading your flash or your memory card, then you can say save. So upon saying save, we have already saved our document onto that particular device. So we have saved our uh, document right there onto that flash disk. Now we can go straight to that flash disk and we see whether it is our work is there. We can go straight to that flash disk and look for that work. So our computer is now opening, or it has opened. We are seeing the flash disk is here. Double click to open it. When you open it, you have to look for that particular item. So the particular item is here. So double click to view whether our item was saved. So you see our item is now onto that other particular flash disk that we have inserted into that computer. So briefly, we have seen that it is a simple process. You just go to onto your computer, and instead of saving it into any other folder, you have to just save it into that particular device or removable device that you want to use, whether it's a phone or any other device. Briefly, we have passed through process of saving onto removable disk. You have to locate it very well, as we have passed through those processes. Briefly, that is for now. Continue searching for our tutorials, or you can subscribe to our channel at Northbridge Technologies and look for more of our work that can educate you or can improve your computer skills. That is for now. Thank you.